Today we're going to be looking at 2D shapes for your Google Classroom. There's a couple different sections in this Google Classroom, so make sure you stop and watch each video on the direction slides when you get to them. I think there are 3 different direction slides. So for this first section, we're going to be focusing on the names, the sides, the corners, and then how to spell each shape. I'm going to show you what I'd like you to do on the circle slide, and then you can do the rest of the shapes by yourself. So at the top here, in the white letters, is the name of the shape. This is the name of the circle. I'm going to double click on my first question mark so it turns blue. And I'm going to say how many sides the circle has. Now remember, sides are straight lines. I don't see any straight lines in my circle, so I'm going to type the number 0. Then I'm going to double click on my question mark for corners. And remember, corners are where 2 sides meet, where it looks like a point. The first grade word for this is vertice. But I don't see any vertices or corners here because there are no sides coming together. So I'm also going to type a 0. Then my last box says spell it. I'm going to double click on my black question mark so it turns blue. And then I'm going to look right up here at the white letters and I'm going to spell it down here below. So I see a C, I'm going to type C, then I have an I, then I have an R, another C, an L, and finally an E. So all you're doing, boys and girls, is you're looking at how to spell that word, and then you're typing it down below so you can learn how to spell it too. Circle. Then you can go on to the next one and do everything we just did for the next shape. So that does oval, triangle, square, rectangle, trapezoid, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, rhombus, heart, and star. And once you're done with the star, you can click on the next direction video.